Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how you can remove any kind of background noise from your video or audio clips with just one click using AI. But before that, let's look at the results. So this is a clip that has all kinds of background noise in its audio. I'm just going to play it for you.
I did see some reports earlier around Port Orange of some flooding happening there, that from last night around the time of high tide. And so anyone that flooded yesterday at high tide should be watching that again today.
As you heard, it has rain noise, cars honking in the background, and also some dogs barking. Now listen to how awesome this same clip sounds after removing all the background noises from it using AI.
I did see some reports earlier around Port Orange of some flooding happening there, that from last night around the time of high tide. And so anyone that flooded yesterday at high tide should be watching that again today.
No raining sound, no dogs barking, no car honks, just a clean and professional voice. So if you want to remove any kind of background noise from your audio clips using AI, this is how you can do it. First, go to Google and search for Adobe Podcast. Now here, click on this first link and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down a little and then click this option that says Go to Enhance Speech. Now on this page, click on this Choose Files option and then select the audio file that you want to upload and click on Open. After this, everything will be taken care of by AI. It will first analyze your audio file, and then it will automatically remove any kind of background noise from your file to make your audio sound clear and professional. This AI feature from Adobe is completely free, and you can use it as much as you want without even creating an Adobe account. Once the process is done, you can download the audio file by clicking here. Have a nice day.